have a look at this question. I've saved this one for a special video because it's a bit scary. Use the pigeonhole principle to prove that there are two powers of 2 that differ by a multiple of 8,479. So if we were to list out all the powers of 2, so if we have like 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, and we have all of them. And then we looked at their remainders. We want them that differ by a multiple of 8,479. So this is saying 2 to the A minus 2 to the B equals some kind of number times 8,479, where K is a whole number. So we're saying it's an element of n. It's an element of the natural numbers. It's a whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not including 0 in that deliberately. So if that's the case, then once we've divided them by 8,479, it should come out as some kind of whole number. But the kind of easiest way instead to think of it is if we have each of these numbers, so if we have 2 to the 0, then that's 0 times 8,479 plus 1, yeah? Because 2 to the 0 is 1. If I have 2 to the 1, then that's still 0 times 8,479 plus 2. If that's 2 to the 2, then that's again 0 times 8,479 plus 4. Once you get to 2 to the, 2 to the 11, I think. No, 2 to the 15. If I had 2 to the 13, then that's still smaller, 8,479 plus 8,192. If I had 2 to the 14, then that's one lot of 8,479 plus 8,479, 7,905. My point that I'm trying to make is if we literally just considered these remainders that we get, we're just considering the remainders, then in order for these to differ by a multiple of 8,479, well, even if they didn't, even if we had to get all of them until we ended up with one that was like 8,480, and then we had this one with 1, so that would be a difference of 8,479 itself. We would need 8,480 powers of 2 to guarantee, it could happen much less, that the difference was a multiple of 8,479. I hate this question with a passion. But yeah, it's really confusing to think about. But let's just ignore the fact that they're powers of 2. If we've just got how many numbers do we need to guarantee that two of them will have a difference of a multiple of 8,479, well, you need 8,480 of them. You always plus 1 to it to guarantee it. Thanks.